carts are now lined up in position, and we should get the all clear very soon indeed. They are stationary on the grid, and we're ready for the standing start procedure for Honda Cadet. From the front of the grid, Sonny Smith versus Jack Hobson, Oliver Rowland Motorsport versus V Motorsport, as they get ready for the start. Just a few drivers at the back of the grid. The green flag is going to be raised in position. And it's time for the red lights to come on. When they go out, we are racing, and it's go! Perfect start from the number 6, Sonny Smith. He launches away. Good start too from Jack Plant, who's gone into second position for the Heinz Racing Squad. Not a bad start for Reece Lomax either. Into third position. A bit of a difficult one for Hobson, who slips back into P4. But everybody is through the first 2 corners cleanly. Up the top of the hill they will go. Sonny Smith has obviously had to get into the Ionic Cadet race earlier. Straight back out there in Ionic Cadet and it's taken an early lead. But for Jack Plant, up to second position, cracking start for the 52. And he is there in second place, battling for 4th at the moment. That looks to me like Connor Leishman in the Saltire Motorsports kart has come through up into P4. He has indeed, and now for P5, an amazing start from Oscar Toyton. Oscar Toyton's come up to 5th place, and he's battling away with Henry Gregory. Good start from them as well. 22 Leon Frost. What has happened to Jack Hobson? The 28 appears to have just gone backwards through the field. Had a terrible start, so we'll have to figure out what has happened there. Although I do notice there is a car that has parked up at turn 3. I'm trying to figure out who that is. That's the 32 that has pulled off. So the 32 is out of the race already. That's Bradley Beach, but he wouldn't have done that on the rolling lap. Sonny Smith, Jack Plant, Reece Lomax and Connor Leishman from Toyton, Gregory, Leon Frost. Then it is Speakman ahead of Drummond, Usakov, Zederberg and Ticehurst from Haywood and Patch. Then it is Douglas, Miles Turnbull, Ollie Handley from Ryan Thomas Sakai. Jack Hobson won the 19th of the race. 20th place, it is Oliver Guyard, Jacob Gilman and Elton Sharp, then Swain, Hartley, Behrman, Rudd, Jenkins, Willie and Tomalet. Down to the braking zone for the first hairpin. Battle for 3rd position is raging at the moment. Lomax, Leishman and Toyton. Lomax is there in 3rd position for the moment, hanging on to it, but here comes the move from Leishman. He comes from a long way back, but he has got this one polished, but on the exit, Lomax has got more traction. Toyton's going to try and come on the inside, and both of them for the next corner. 3 wide as Toyton goes for 3rd. Hasn't quite got the next for one, but has got the other. He's into 4th position, now into Bobby Game, he's going for 3rd, and Toyton's done it. Brilliant move from Oscar Toyton. What the talent he is turning into. Flashes of brilliance in 2018, but he's just pulled off a double-time move through the chicane to Bobby Game. Great work from Oscar Toyton. Sonny Smith leads the way. Jack Plant in 2nd place behind. And then in 3rd position, it is Oscar Toyton. What a run from the cutting edge racing driver. Absolutely terrific. There he goes under the Litchfield Bridge. The field battles their way through. No problems at all. Nice little tussle in the first corner, as side by side, Zach Drummond and Ollie Hadley separate their differences in the favour of Zach Drummond. Down the back straight, Sonny Smith running well. Jack Plant in 2nd, Oscar Toyton 3rd, and leaving the 4th place battle as a triumvirate. Leishman, Lomax and Gregory. Gregory's going to try and make the move on Lomax. Lomax breaks later to counteract it, and holds the car drifting through them inside of the apex. Nicely done from Lomax to hold off Gregory. Gregory now makes the lunge into the 2nd hairpin, but again Lomax breaks later and fends off the charge, getting closer to Connor Leishman in the process. This is great defence from Reece Lomax in 5th. He's working so hard to keep Gregory at bay. Gregory throwing everything at him. Now up to Bobby Game, and again Lomax chops across to hold back Gregory. This is amazing defensive work from Reece Lomax, and this could be the difference between him getting on the podium and dropping down the order. This is absolutely terrific, wise driving from Reece Lomax. Smith and Plant stretching their legs out in front. Toyton in 3rd, he's getting away, but Lomax holding off Gregory is important, because now he's working with Leishman in through the first corner, right in behind him to try and edge closer to him. And this could be a battle for 3rd position, so Lomax wise to keep Gregory at bay. Speakman is 7th place, then it is Frost, and then we have Douglas. Zederberg is 10th from Ticehurst and Usakov, Haywood, Patch, Handley, Sharp and Drummond, Gilman and Guyard. Really interesting battle this for 4th place, as Gregory is not prepared to wait around any longer. He dives for the inside, a cutback from Reece Lomax, chops it back through. Lomax gestures to Gregory, don't overtake me, come on, 3rd position is right there. We can go and catch him. And that's exactly what Conor Leishman is attempting to do now. He's got close to Toyn, and he's going to try and go for third position. The leading two have gone. Third position is still up for grabs between these four drivers. Seventh place is going well for Bruce Speakman. He's got past Leon Frost, his teammate. Kenzie Douglas there in ninth, ahead of Henry Xederberg in 10th place. So far so good for them. Across the line, in the pass, well clear of the rest of the field. Matching each other for first sectors, second sectors and third actually. After that was Sonny Smith, 1:12.01. Jack Clark, 1:12.04. Gregory has another look at Lomax. Again has to bail out of it. 7th and 8th, it is close between the two Project 1, I was going to say the two Project 1 teammates, but Bruce Speakman has done what we can see Douglas all over the back of him. Douglas is called the Racing Perfection. So Racing Perfection, the Miralage champion right there in 8th position, surely all over the back. Speakman Project 1, as they come down the back straight. I tell you what, Mackenzie Douglas looks fired up. It looks like he's going to go for the move on the inside into the hairpin. And Mackenzie Douglas makes that one stick into 7th place. Good bit of driving there, up into 7th place. And there's not a lot Bruce Speakman can do in response. Has a look into the hairpin, but he's not going to make the move there. It's a little bit too high risk. Lots of jostling for position down into the braking zone further back. A nice little squabble led by the 55 of Ryotaro Sakai, the Japanese driver. Ryotaro Sakai is having a nice little tussle at the moment with 43. Miles Turnbull is charging through the field. He's made up several places on that last lap. Jack Watson really struggling for grip, just behind them as well. Turnbull makes the move on Sakai to get through this corner braking zone for Bonnie Gay. Brilliant stuff. Lomax further up, he's about to 5th position. Still hanging on in front of Gregory, but not able to get close enough to the 4th place there. Conor Leishman. And the squabble further back to the 9th is truly legendary. Somebody's going to come a cropper as they jostle away. 9th down to about 13. Frost, Tyson, Xederberg, Isakov and Hayward. Ollie Hamby in the mix there as well. 6 of them are probably over 9th place. Make that 7 actually, because the 13th place man, Reg Hayward, is right in the mix as well. So we've got Frost, Tyson, Xederberg, Usakov, Hayward, Handley, and Aston Sharp. Josh Hatch in there as well. So all the way down to 16th from 9th. There's 8 of them having amazing squabbles, and that one's not going to be decided until the finish. They're all jostling away, and somebody's going to get caught out, and one of them is caught out. A spin there, unfortunately, with a little bit of a nudge to help out the situation, and it's the 11th, I believe, that's gone backwards. That's Reg Hayward. That's a real shame for Reg. Was running well up until that point, but just a little bit of a nudge in the braking zone by the look of it. 8 of them into the same bit of road, so it was always inevitable. Somebody had to get spat out, and on this occasion, unfortunately, with Reg Hayward, replacement Lomax and Gregory are very close together for 4th place. They go under the Litchfield Bridge again. Watch out for Gregory, he's going to pop out. No, doesn't want to make a move there under the Litchfield Bridge. It is very high risk at that stage. The 9th place battle is still running unabated. 7 at the minute, potentially 9 or 10 if the likes of Guyard and Gilman can close up, and Hayward can go with them. Miles Turnbull is next in 19th. So there could be 10 of them battling for 9th place. At the moment, it's Usakov from Xederberg and Handley and Frost in the squabble for 9th. Change at the moment in the battle for 4th position. A few car lengths behind Austin Toyn. It's still Leishman, Lomax and Gregory. They continue to run together. Gregory is just very slowly as Toyn goes to the braking zone. He's got to try and keep his car presently flowing. Cold, icy conditions. Sonny Smith is a Troyer line developing as the lead is going to the last lap. Sonny Smith from Jack Clark. A very impressive lead with Jack Clark here. He has stayed with Sonny Smith throughout this race, not let it get away. And this says a lot about Jack Clark's composure. It would be very easy to let Sonny Smith in his current form disappear into the distance. Jack Clark has stuck with him like glue, and he has not let him disappear. The gap is only a second, and the rest of the field are 13 seconds further back. Amazing work from Jack Clark, and a real strength in his character. He's coming on leaps and bounds. Jack Clark is definitely a dark horse for the cadet title success this year. Tonight in 2019. Down the main straight into the chicane will come Sonny Smith. He's got him. Distance over Jack Clark, not to be concerned. Meanwhile, it looks as though Leishman has dropped the 6th position. The 4th place battle really is rocking on now. Lomax and Gregory have both got through. Lomax is ready to inside line like his life depends on it. As Gregory drifts out wide, Leishman's going to try and cut back. holding the inside line. Lomax hasn't got enough straight line speed. Fleischmann's on the inside of both of them. Can he get there? No, he's not. And side by side, he has to bail out of it. The checkered flag flies for Sonny Smith. He gets the win, and he did an Army Cadet. He's done so in Honda Cadet as well. Jack Martin, valiant second place, only half a second back from the fastest lap of the race too. Oscar Toyton is going to be third, but who is going to be fourth? It looks like it's going to end up being Reese Lomax. They come out of the final turn. Toyton is third on his own. He's quite happy with it. You can barely feel his fingers by the look of it. Lomax is fourth from Gregory and Fleischmann. Great racing in the top six. Seventh place for Mackenzie Douglas. A really solid drive there for the racing professional driver. Not only did he catch from Speakman and pass him, but he dropped it. Speakman is a ninth position. He's side by side for the line, and it goes the way of Gustav Uzakov by 100th of a second. Uzakov gets there from Sharp. Henry Cederberg is 11th from Hanley, Tyson, Gilman and Patch. Then it is Leon Cross, Oliver Guillard and Rich Hayward. Mark Turnbull is